how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. In this episode of Vlogmas, we are going to be cutting my bangs. I'd like to mention before we get started, I am a licensed cosmetologist. I didn't really want to film any like hair cutting videos because I didn't want people to like see me doing it and then do it themselves, but I think with this new hair color it's just gonna look super rad. So they're pretty long at this moment, and I've got my Rusk shears and texturizing shears. These are the Delta and Betas. I've had these for several years, and I've got a razor. I think it's a 1907. Yep, 1907. I couldn't find a cutting comb, so like I've got a foiling comb. When I cut my bangs, I usually have like a thick bang section, and the way I did my color, I wanted like a color block of green right here. So let's go ahead and part out. Alright. So this is going to be my starting guide right here. So I want them to fall kind of like right here and kind of taper off on the sides. So I'm going to take this first section here. And I'm I really like a choppy bang. Over direct this hair over, and then I'm gonna cut it. Oh my god. I usually used to cut my bangs like twice a year, and now ever since I started my YouTube channel, I kind of been letting them grow out because I felt like it was hard to see the makeup looks with the bangs, like they get in the way. But I just look so much better with bangs, so you know. And any hairs that are long, I'm just gonna take the razor to those. Oh my god, yes. It's gonna look so sick with this color. Alright, so my next section, I got that spray bottle at Walmart, and they're really pretty much just like the ones I use in the shop. It's like on clients, people are always like, where'd you get your spray bottle? And if you look up like misting water bottle, these come up, and I like them a lot better than the other spray bottles. This little baby hair is hair that was growing back from when I had quit bleaching my hair. I'm going to take my next section, I'm going to take this middle piece. It looks so cute. I look like I have a wig on. Like, that's how good this color is. It looks almost like a wig. And then all these pieces, I'm going to over direct them to the middle and over. And I'm going to cut. And that way when it falls, it's going like this, because I'm over directing it to the middle. And I can see my guide a little bit. It is really hard to cut your own hair though. Yeah, that's starting to get a good like shape to the bangs. So then right here, you just want to watch that you don't cut your guide out. Like, here's my guide. You just want to make sure you don't like cut your length. Then you're gonna have like a big hole in your bangs. It's gonna look so good. And another thing to remember too is they're gonna shrink up after they dry. So, and I like my bangs like super long. I'm gonna see if any of this hair is gonna fall forward into the bangs. Yep. You know what, with this hair color, I feel like a Cool Ranch Dorito in like the best way possible. They're looking good so far. So now I'm gonna comb all of this up. I'm gonna texturize. I'm gonna take my razor and kind of just go down a little bit to blend into my layers. It's still really thick right here, so I'm gonna go in and texturize this a little bit more. The next course of action is to dry it and then check it once it's dry. This is the most anime I've like ever felt in my life. Every time I have bangs, I feel like that though. Like, I normally have bangs, but like I quit cutting them when I started my YouTube channel because I was like, well, I'm doing makeup and I feel like they're gonna get away with the makeup, you know? So I stupidly tried growing them out, but I'm just one of those people that does not look good without bangs, I feel like. Here they are. So let me see. I mean, I like my bangs like super choppy. Like, I'll be like point cutting them, texturizing them, razoring them, and I try to like over direct them to the middle so that they fall and like kind of like go like that. Does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense. I think they turned out great. And also I like them about this length, like kind of just under my eyebrows, because any shorter I feel like I look dumb. So that was today's video. Please don't cut your own hair. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, that's why I be doing it. They keep pulling my lashes up. It's driving me up the freaking wall. I'm gonna take these lashes right off right after I'm done filming. You know what we have to do today though? We have to change the homie right here. So we're going from 22 to 21. Can't wait. It's gonna be Serena's first Christmas, and I'm just like, I'm really feeling Christmas this year, and I think that's why, because like it's gonna be my baby's first Christmas. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'm peacing out. Bye.